In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Stripe metered billing. Start by making sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard and that you are working in the correct Stripe account. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Product Catalog. From there, select Create Product to begin setting up a new item that will be billed based on customer usage. Enter a clear name for the product. This should describe the service or feature you want to charge for. In the pricing section, choose Recurring, so Stripe knows this will be billed on an ongoing cycle. After that, click More Pricing Options to open the advanced settings. In the Pricing Model area, select Usage-Based. This tells Stripe that billing will depend on how much of the service the customer uses. Next, choose the usage calculation or pricing method you want. A common option is per unit, where each unit of usage has a fixed cost. Enter the amount you want to charge for each unit, then choose the currency you want to use for billing. After that, look for the meter or usage section. If you have not created a meter yet, click Create Meter. Stripe uses meters to track the activity you want to bill for. Enter the required details and give the meter a clear name that matches the usage you plan to measure, such as API requests, storage, minutes, or messages. Once the meter is created, return to the product pricing setup. Now select your meter from the meter dropdown. If you already had a meter created earlier, simply choose that existing meter instead. Then set the billing period, such as monthly, to define how often Stripe will invoice customers for the recorded usage. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Check the pricing model, the per unit amount, the selected currency, the meter, and the billing period. If Stripe shows a Next button, click it to continue. Then finish the setup by clicking Add Product, Create Product, or Save, depending on the version of the dashboard you see. Once the product is created, open it and confirm that the price is configured as usage-based and linked to the correct meter. This final check helps make sure your billing setup is ready to track customer usage properly. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.